Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Walmart Associate Discount Card to the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your Walmart Associate Discount Card to the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app, then click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says Account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Wallet. Now, once you click on Wallet, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Discounts and Promotions. And underneath that, click on Associate Discount. And then this is where you'll be able to enter your associate card number as well as your Walmart identification number. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add Walmart associate discount card to the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.